Hello, hello, it's Mermaid Starfish over here, and I'm gonna unbox my Jellyfish Jungle Mermaid Tail from kinfolk Productions, and yeah, I just can't wait. I ordered it in the last summer sale, and normally I wasn't planning on getting one, but I did anyway, so I'm like really excited. I heard like so much positive feedback on the new tails, like the softness of the fabric and the stretchiness. Wow. Okay, this is the tail care sheet. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Woo, this is going to my sticker collection. Ah, this is so cool. It smells so good. Yeah, this is really a thing of mine. I always like to smell on the tails. Yeah. Weird. Check this out. The zipper isn't even there. Like, you really have to look for it. This is really well done. Like, is it there? You almost can't see this. I'm super happy with this tail, and I'm very excited to put this beauty on. So here it is. It's really well fit around my belly as well. Yeah, this isn't ideal for filming, I know, but it has to do. The only minor thing is it's a bit bulky around my calves, so I have to take this one in. But overall, I'm quite happy with the fit. So yeah, I'm one happy mermaid. I just can't wait for all the new adventures to come with this beauty. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Like, pretty please. I tried my best to make a good unboxing video, so yeah, I hope you guys liked it. And see you next time. Bye.